Did you know the average person lives about 4,000 weeks? That's it, 4,000 weeks. And if you're watching this, you've already used up a chunk of them. Scary, right? But here's the good news. You don't need more time. You just need to make the time you have count. The key to making every second count isn't about cramming more into your day. It's about focusing on what truly matters. Step 1. Define your priorities. Most of us spend our days reacting to whatever's in front of us. Emails, notifications, other people's demands. But here's the thing. If you don't decide what matters, someone else will decide for you. So grab a pen and paper and ask yourself, what do I want my life to be about? Write down 3 things that truly matter to you, whether it's family, work, creativity, or making a difference. This is your compass. Use it to guide your decisions every day. Step 2, eliminate time wasters. Let's be real. How many hours do you spend scrolling social media, binge watching shows, or doing things that don't really matter? Track your time for one day. Write down everything you do and how long it takes. Then ask yourself, does this align with my priorities? If not, cut it out or limit it. You'll be amazed at how much time you free up. Step 3, embrace the present moment. Life isn't just about achieving goals. It's about enjoying the journey. But here's the catch. You can't enjoy the moment if you're constantly worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. Take 5 minutes every day to just be. Focus on your breath, notice the sounds around you, or savor your morning coffee. It's a small habit, but it can transform how you experience life. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm so busy. How can I possibly do all this? Trust me, I've been there. But here's the secret. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Start small. One priority, one mindful moment at a time. 3 simple steps to make every second count. Define your priorities, eliminate time wasters, and embrace the present moment. What's one thing you'll do today to make your time count? Leave them down below to take accountability.